Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will let you know about how to move taskbar Windows 11. So let's get started. It's a very simple tutorial. What you need to do, you need to go to your settings by tapping on the Windows icon, then go to the settings from here, or you can search it on into the search bar for the settings. After going to the settings, you need to go to the personalization, then scroll it down and you can see the taskbar right over here. Just tap on the taskbar. All right, then scroll it down and you will see taskbar behavior. You need to just tap it on so that the drop down menu can open. All right, after that, as you can see, the taskbar alignment is on the center. You can just simply tap on this option and you can see the alignment can be on the left or in the center. So you can just simply go tap on the left and it will go on to your left. So that's how you can easily change taskbar position in Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.